Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Food Junkie coming to another video. First, let me say it's kind of chilly here in Atlanta today. It's windy, it's chilly, it rained last night. I didn't sleep very well last night. Well, I slept well, but when I finally got to sleep, but I didn't go to bed until like 5 o'clock in the morning. Knowing I had to get up early to go to work. But it's all good. It is what it is. I'm here, and I'm blessed. Happy Sunday to you. But I want to come at you and talk about all this bravado that people have on YouTube, on video. They have a lot of bravado, a lot of bass in their voice, a lot of energy in what they say. All kind of raw emotions and things like that, very visceral reactions to things. And I'm just wondering, are you going to have that same energy when you meet somebody in person? Because you said a lot of negative things and awful things to people and about people on these YouTube streets in this virtual world. If you are confronted with that person in the real world, in reality, are you going to come to them with that same energy? Now, I know some of y'all are talking about, how bad you are and what you can do and what you will do, and you'll roll somebody up, you'll drag somebody, XYZ, verbally or physically. But let's be extremely clear and honest with each other. Will you meet them with that same exact energy if you met them in person that you are giving them here on these streets of YouTube? Now, thus far, I've made several videos, and I haven't had to really go hard at anyone for any reason, because one is never that serious for me. This is all play. This is all fun and games, roasting gags, jokes, entertainment, as I always say. I don't know you, and you definitely don't know me. I am not a person that's going to sit here and go back and forth to people. Nor am I an individual that's going to allow someone to threaten me or what they're going to do to me when they see me, how they're going to do it, things of that nature. You're not that bad. You're not that tough in real life. Stop putting on all these airs for people for clicks and views. Be genuine. Be real. Be the person that you were meant to be. Be your best. Try your best to be your best, at least. We want people to believe that we come with this certain energy and bravado, and that makes us tough or makes us strong or makes us, someone not to be played with or trifled with. And reality is, no one really cares for real. No one cares if you can get in front of a camera and yell and scream. No one cares that you can, hit the play button and, talk tough and cuss. We all can do that. We all can hit the play button or the record button, and spew a bunch of cuss words and vulgarities. That's not hard to do. What's harder to do is be able to, communicate effectively in a way that does not use cuss words. Now, mind you, have I cussed on this camera before? Yes, I have. Will I do it again? Yes, I will. But I also can sit back and talk to you without using cuss words and get my point across. See? The devil's a liar. The devil's a liar. Go ahead and cuss on this camera because this idiot right here can drive. See? You see what the devil tried to do to me today on a Sunday morning? Crazy, right? Well, yes, I can push the play button and not cuss. I can push the play button and not raise my voice. I can hit the play button and still give you commentary about a situation without being involved, like, or getting involved or inserting myself in the situation. I try not to use people's names at all, when it's possible not to use their names. I think I made 2 videos thus far, 3 videos thus far, using people's names. But no, 2 videos I think using people's names. One where I shout out people that I actually watch and subscribe to and like their commentary. And one when I had to use their name because a subliminal or a saying her would not suffice. It wasn't negative. I wasn't judging anybody. I wasn't condemning or condoning anything this person did. But I just mentioned their name because it was relevant. I had to. But the name wasn't in my title of my video. The name was weaved in the video itself. I know how to get subscribers. I know how this YouTube thing works. A smaller new YouTube like myself, hey y'all, find a bigger YouTube person, throw their name in their title, and start a beef. A smaller YouTube person like myself, hey y'all, find a larger YouTube person and try to befriend by mentioning them in my videos and then put their name in my title and saying good things about them. Hopefully they'll see it, or someone will see it and tell them about it. I know how it works. I may be new to creating content on YouTube, but I'm not new to YouTube. I'm not new to gaining popularity, marketing myself. I'm not new to that. I've seen it before. I've done it before. Like I stated in my first several videos, I don't mind starting off slow. I don't want to hit this thing with a bang and blow up quickly. Just as quick as you blow up, just as quick as you get deflated. You set expectations for yourself and for others and for your subscribers and for people that watch you and support you, or that will watch you and support you. You set those expectations early. If you say you're genuine, show that you're genuine. You say you have integrity, show that you have integrity. You say that you're a cool person who don't mind the slow come up, show that. Show that cool person who don't mind the slow come up. You know? Not everything that you get quickly is worth it, or turns out what you think it is. I've seen how people have blown up quickly and they get more heat and drama and more because they have more eyes on them. They retort back to something that they didn't want to do or who they want to be. I stay true to who I am, what I say I'm about, you know. But this video basically is not about that. It's about, you know, meeting people with the same energy that you started off with. You know, you puffing up your chest, yelling and screaming, acting a fool on these cameras. Are you going to meet them with that same energy in person? Are you going to meet them, you know, where they are? And if you do, what do you expect to happen? Do you expect people to just sit there and let you cuss them out, swing on them, shoot them in the face? All these things that has been threatened here on YouTube? Do you really think they're going to allow you to do that and do nothing in return to protect themselves? Okay. Keep believing that. Keep thinking that these virtual walls protect you. They don't. Like I said, this is Food Junkie. Just coming to you with a little short videos, a little short commentary based on what I've been seeing, hearing, and things of that nature. If you like the content that I'm giving you, check out my channel. If you like the content there, subscribe, like, comment, share. As I always say, love yourself, love someone else, respect yourself, respect someone else. And until next time, I'll see you later. Have a blessed and great day.